Today again, we're going to use Anijam AI to create a professional product advert. This time around, two of my clients contacted me to create a stunning product advert for them. So stay tuned.
Every drop matters. Pure, clean, refreshing. Smart hydration solutions designed for everyday life. Aquila's purity in every drop.
Precision dental care. Every crown, denture, and prosthesis crafted with uncompromising accuracy. Restoring smiles with accuracy and care. Giving patients back their confidence, one smile at a time. Expertise in every detail.
Virgin Dent Technologies.
Prosthetics, precision engineered for life.
Welcome back. So let's create the adverts. We are going to use Virgin Dent adverts to show us how to create or generate the adverts we just watched now. The first thing to do is to log on to the Anijam AI. Please, if you don't know how to log on or how to create accounts, please, I advise that you watch our previous lesson. I will put the link in the comment section, okay? Once you log in, it will take you to the dashboard, and you'll see what story you want to animate today. Just simply put your text there, or type in your text, or copy and paste your text and hit enter. That's all you need to do, and you follow the screen instructions. Once the video is done, simply download and share. You can also do a little editing if it needs be. Example like adding your music style you want or the text. Okay?
Precision dental care. Every crown, denture, and prosthesis crafted with uncompromising accuracy. Restoring smiles with accuracy and care. Giving patients back their confidence, one smile at a time. Expertise in every detail. Virgin Indent technology. Advanced prosthetics. Precision engineered for life. Precision dental care. Every crown, denture, and prosthesis crafted with uncompromising accuracy. Restoring smiles with accuracy and care. Giving patients back their confidence, one smile at a time. Expertise in every detail. Virgin Indent technology. Advanced prosthetics. Precision engineered for life.
And that is exactly the same way I created this advert, the Aqualis water. Okay, thank you for still watching. As a bonus, I will show you how to use motion control and how to generate sound effects from text. Okay? Someone asked, what is motion control? It's just one of the features that controls how objects or cameras or character move in a video. It makes video look smoother, more realistic, more cinematic, and of course more professional. So then you click on the motion control. The motion control box will open. You select the engine you want to, that's the model you want to use. Then you get the motion picture, or sorry, the motion video you want your character to emulate. Either you upload it from your computer or you get it from your Canva. I picked or I upload a picture. I uploaded a video from my computer. I have already downloaded it before now. I want my character to emulate the motion of this lady here in this video. Then I uploaded my character. So this is what we generated. I uploaded another picture to show us again. If you want to also generate background sound, you can also do it here.
When we go by, help bounce fast. I'm God. Now we're in we can win just the kindness. I will look you back, baby, you play now.
You can use all these sounds and sound effects in your videos to make them more professional. With that, we have come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.